Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are tackling a crucial topic that concerns the safety and legal rights of those affected by 18-wheeler accident in the USA. In this video, we shall delve into the significance of hearing 18-wheeler injury layers. Before we dive in, did you know that each year a substantial number of people, numbering over X, sustain injuries due to accidents involving massive commercial trucks like 18-wheelers. This highlights the urgency of addressing the legal aspects surrounding these accidents. After an 18-wheeler accident, victims and their families often face numerous challenges. This can include soaring medical expenses, loss of income due to injuries, and emotional trauma. This is where experienced 18-wheeler injury lawyers play a crucial role. An 18-wheeler injury lawyer is a legal professional who specializes in representing those who have been involved in accidents with large commercial trucks. These legal experts have an in-depth understanding of trucking regulations, insurance policies, and the intricacies of these cases. One of the primary rules of an 18-wheeler injury lawyer is to conduct a comprehensive investigation into the accident. This includes gathering evidence from the accident scene, obtaining statements from witnesses, and scrutinizing the maintenance records of the truck. Establishing liability in 18-wheeler accident can be complex. Was in the truck driver's negligence, the trucking company's oversight, or a combination of factors. A skilled lawyer will work tirelessly to determine liability and build a strong case. After establishing liability, your lawyer will enter into the negotiation with the responsible parties and their insurance companies. The expertise shines as they fight to ensure you receive fair compensation for your medical expenses, injuries, and other damages. If negotiations do not lead to a satisfactory outcome, your lawyer might recommend taking the case to court. Throughout the litigation process, they shall represent your interests and fight for your rights into the courtroom. Selecting the right 18-wheeler injury lawyer is pivotal. Look for a lawyer with a proven track record in handling truck accidents cases, positive client testimonials, and a deep. To sum it up, you don't have to navigate the aftermath of an 18-wheeler accident alone. An experienced and dedicated 18-wheeler injury lawyer can be your advocate, guiding you through the legal process and helping you secure the compensation you rightfully deserve. Thanks for tuning into today's video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content. If you have any question or personal experiences, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Stay safe, and until next time, take care. Disclaimer: this script is for informational purpose only and should not be considered as legal advice. For personalized legal guidance, consult a qualified attorney.